Remember those old school cherry chocolates you couldn't resist? Say hello to this homemade cherry mash knockoff. It's as sweet as you remember. With the luscious cherry center, rich chocolate coating, and a perfect mix of crunch, this candy is about to become your new favorite blast from the past. Okay, our ingredients are super easy. For our cherry filling, I'm going to be using about 10 ounces of cherries. I've got 2 cups of powdered sugar. I've got a half a stick of softened butter, and then we're going to use some vanilla extract. And you can use cherry extract if you like. And then for our chocolate coating, very simple. We're going to use 1 bag of Semisweet chocolate chips and some crushed dry roasted peanuts. First thing we want to do is drain the cherries, and then we're going to put them on a paper towel and pat them dry. So you want to get all that juice out real good. Once we do that, we're going to put them in a bowl, and we're just going to mash them into little bits. I'm going to use just a potato masher and just start mashing away. Next, we're going to put them in the bowl and start adding our ingredients to make our cherry filling. So this is 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then we're going to add our butter. That's about a half a stick. And then I'm using about a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of cherry juice. You can add extract. And then we're going to mix it all up. Mix it till it's well blended. Looking good. Now we're just going to scoop this on a baking sheet with some parchment paper and form our little candies. Okay, these are ready to go into the freezer. We're going to freeze them for at least a couple of hours. And while we're waiting on those, we're going to get these peanuts and put them in our little handy dandy nut grinder. Looks yummy. We're back. These are frozen and ready to cover in a delicious nutty chocolate. Okay, so I got 1 bag of Semisweet chocolate chips, and I like to add a little bit of coconut oil to the mixture. It just kind of helps blend better. And then we're going to microwave this at 30-second intervals, stirring in between. And we got our nuts ready. So once this is heated up and nice and smooth, we'll add those nuts. Ready to get a little nutty? Okay, we're going to add our nuts to our chocolate and give it a couple of good stirs, and then we want to move quick. We want to get this chocolate on our cherry bites. So just start covering them all up. Wow, looks delicious. I can't wait to try these. Once we get them covered, we're going to put them in the freezer for another hour or 2 and bring them out and enjoy. Now this will make you twist and shout. Our vintage cherry mash candy. Sweet and simple with our nutty chocolate topping and our creamy cherry center. I hope you enjoy. Sweet and nostalgic. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.